If you watched the previous video, you saw me put a set of Field 441 coilovers on our new Edge Mustang that we're building in to be a drift car. Their only requirement, not requirement, but heavy suggestion is if you do the true coilover setup, which we did, eliminating the shock and the spring separately and all being one big coilover, especially in the back, they suggest you reinforce the strut tower. And that's what we're going to do today. So first off, we're going to pop the trunk and we'll be installing this strut tower brace, really simple one. I'll put a link to this in the description below. You can probably get it on Amazon. Alright, so first off, we're going to remove the nut, the washer, and the bushing. I believe these are 19 millimeters. Yep, I don't have them on too tight. There. And the bushing. I'll do that on the other side.
If you're looking for a great way to support our channel, check out lowboostfilms.com. Not only does this support the channel, but you'll look great while you do it as well. We have a great selection of different types of apparel and merchandise that you guys can buy. I also have a selection of car parts and tools that we've reviewed on the channel that we know work well for sale on there as well at a good price, so make sure you check it out.
Next up, we're going to take our strut tower brace. Hopefully it fits on without any hitches. Yeah, it did. Look at that. Boom, boom. Car is still pretty stable. Now we just put everything on back in the way that it was. There. Retaining clip. And that. And then we'll tighten it down. We'll repeat that on both sides. Honestly, it looks pretty cool, but in terms of structural rigidity, I don't think I'm really going to be able to show you guys the difference or be able to give you my opinion on the difference on the street. Probably not. But I do think it's going to help keep the car more put together when we're actually drifting it or if we're on track with it. So yeah, check it out. I got the chrome piece. You can get them in black too, but the chrome was a little cheaper and I just wanted to get the cheapest option possible. So there, rear strut tower brace installed. There's a lot of other stuff that you can actually do to the Mustang to make it even stiffer. They sell front strut tower braces that with a triangle setup. There's even subframe connectors that go underneath. These are all things that we're going to do on the channel at some point in time, so make sure you guys hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all of our uploads. If you can't wait until next week's video, make sure to check out these videos that I already have ready to go.